Yellow. Thank you for joining me on Paint Therapy with Jenny Bean. Today I want to show you how to do a kiss pour with acrylic paint. I'm using paint that I've mixed in a prior video, so if you'd like to see how to do that, please check that out. Basically, I did primary colors mixed with water and coconut hair milk. It's a hair serum. And then I did some bronze color paint and a glitter green just to see how it would react. And basically what you want to do is start with 2 cups and start alternating your colors. And so what I did was I just went back and forth a few times with the combination of colors, primaries plus white plus green and bronze. And I wanted to show you this in real time because you don't want to rush this part. I think in my later videos I will speed it up a little bit. And this shows you a good example of how long it really takes. There are some guides online. You can look to see how different colors will react, and you can layer them a certain way as well. A lot of mine I pour down the side of the cup, but some, like the white, I'll just pour in the middle, just because it'll drop through and create a really cool effect. I haven't experimented too much with glitter. That's why I wanted to see what it would do. And plus, I found these fun bronze ones at the store. They're like a metallic-y kind of paint. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You can absolutely pick any color combinations you would like. Just kind of depends on what kind of effect you're going for. You can kind of see what the paint looks like already. And I'm using a canvas here. It's 10 by 10, which I just coated in tempera paint as a base. What you want to do is very slowly and graciously kiss the cups together and slowly pour through the paint. And this is one I actually hadn't tried before, so this is my first time. I've seen some people kind of just keep it in one spot, and I've seen some other people move it around, so I wanted to start with moving it around and see how that went. It's fun, you can see how it's already swirling without even tilting it. You can see like it's already mixing together, making some oranges in there. And we're just gonna tilt it to one corner until the paint runs off. Once it does that, then you can shift the weight back to the middle and go to the other side. And again, once that's done, then you can shift it back to the middle and then pick another corner. I highly recommend gloves for this because otherwise it gets really messy and you get paint under your nails. It's not fun. All right, we're gonna go to the last corner here. And once that's good, then tilt it back to the middle a little bit until it's settled. You can kind of see what it did already. Lots of reds, blues, a little bit of orange, greens, blues, a little bit of everything. Then you just want to check your edges, make sure it covered all the way, and if not, just pour a little more on the edges. Kind of tedious part, but it's definitely worth it. And if you see any extra paint hanging off, you'll just want to scrape that off. Here you can see after about 20 minutes of it sitting, if you see any air bubbles, you can pop them, drag them with a stick, use a blowtorch, do what you gotta do. Here's after a day. And then here's the next day. I started doing a clear coat with Mod Podge. And kind of see the effect it's had already at that point. And the clear coat I'll get into a later video. I'll show you how to do that as well. You can see some of that glitter coming out. It's really pretty. And here's the last coat. It's just a spray coat, clear. Just to seal all that in. And it's not so tacky. You just want them to sit for a few days in between. Here you can see the finished product. Lots of red, very shiny, and some glitter when you get up close. And this will be for sale on my Instagram page. If you'd like to purchase, let me know. Thank you for watching today. I hope you enjoyed. If you like this video, hit subscribe. Thank you.